He bowed twice outside the state courts, dressed in black and holding back tears. Once a familiar face on Mediacorp dramas, Ian Fang is now beginning a 40-month jail sentence for committing sexual offenses involving a minor. This shocking fall from grace has left many Singaporeans stunned and wondering how it all came to this. On the morning of 16 June, the 35-year-old China-born Singapore permanent resident appeared visibly somber. With his mother by his side, Fang paused in front of the court building. He looked down, bowed deeply twice, and admitted to reporters, "If you do something wrong, you have to take responsibility." It was a rare and raw moment from a once rising star, now facing serious consequences. Ian Fang was sentenced to 40 months in prison after pleading guilty to 3 charges involving sexual penetration of a girl under the age of 16. In total, he faced 6 charges for similar offenses, plus 1 for obstruction of justice and another for stalking. The judge took all these into account before handing down the final sentence on the 19th of May. After sentencing, Fang had asked for a 4-week delay to settle his personal matters. The court approved the request, and now, in mid-June, he officially begins serving time behind bars. Speaking to reporters outside the courtroom, Fang shared that he hadn't spoken publicly since the verdict because he needed time to reflect. He said he knows he must accept his punishment and asked the public to give him a chance to start over someday. When asked about his victim, Fang grew quiet, completely silent for 14 seconds before saying, "I'm sorry if everyone has been hurt." It was a short response, but one that carried the weight of regret and perhaps shame. Standing beside him, his mother spoke up emotionally when reporters brought up rumors that had been circulating online. She insisted that many of the claims were false, and even added, "We have proof. For example, we do not have any sexually transmitted diseases." It was a tense moment, highlighting the pressure and pain the family has gone through in recent months. Despite everything, Fang said his mother had never left his side and endured a lot with him. He promised to be a filial son once he's released from prison. Just before entering the criminal holding area, Fang hugged his mother twice. "Stay strong," she told him as he looked back one last time and waved goodbye. With good behavior, Ian Fang could be eligible for parole as early as September 2027. But even with an early release, can his career or public image ever recover from something like this? What do you think about public apologies like this? Are they genuine attempts at change or just damage control? If you find this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, 2230.